Hey guys, in this video I'll show you why and how to protect your GoPro screens. My GoPro 10, it's been used a lot on the water. I do a lot of kite surfing. Just looking at the screen protectors you can see all the scratches. When it's upgrade time and you come to sell the old GoPro, the screens underneath will still look brand new, which increases the resale value. Let me know in the comments below which GoPro you use. Links to all the products are in the description. Let's get into it. This is the JE Tech Lens Protector set from Amazon. All we're going to do is just open up the pack. It comes with a helpful instruction guide showing you exactly what to do. In the pack you've got 3 sets of cleaning wipes, you've got 3 rear screen protectors, 3 front screens and also 3 lens protectors. So what we're going to do is put the rear screen onto the back of the GoPro, leg size down onto the front, and then the smallest one goes on the lens. First up, get the rear protector and then get the little suction cup and attach it to the screen protector. Next, open up the screen cleaner. Peel off the screen cover if your camera's brand new. Give it a clean with a wet wipe, just make sure there's no dust on it at all. Then use a little orange drying cloth to get it completely dry. Now peel off the screen protector cover. Align it to your GoPro. Just take your time in this because it can be a bit fiddly. And then just press down. And next step is to remove the suction cup and get rid of all the air bubbles. Be patient with this, just keep at it and eventually they'll go. And if you get a bit stuck and there's still some left, just use the drying cloth and just rub it until all the air bubbles come out. If you can't get it perfect, don't worry, it'll still work. Repeat the process for the other 2 screens. With mine, I'm just going to do it on the front one. Again, just give it a quick clean, make sure there's no dust visible, and then apply the medium-sized screen protector. And take your time aligning it because they can be quite tricky to do. And as soon as you got it on, again, same as before, just get rid of all the air bubbles, give your finger a run over it. I'm not going to do the main screen because I use mine on the water and I found that the hydrophobic coating doesn't work so great on the protector, but if you're using it on land, I'd definitely use it. We can see now the screen protectors are applied on the rear and on the front, so it's going to keep your camera looking new for a long time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and smash that subscribe bell. If you didn't like it, hit that dislike twice, and thanks for watching.